Hello, this is Steve Grizzetti, co-founder of MoviePix.com and author of the MoviePix.com Guide to Adobe Photoshop Elements as well as Adobe Premiere Elements. And here we are in Adobe Photoshop Elements 2021 looking at some of the new features. Now, one new feature in version 2021 is actually an enhancement of an existing feature, but it is pretty cool anyway. If you have a photo that includes faces and you go into the Enhance menu, you'll find the option to adjust facial features. As I say, this tool has existed for a couple generations of the program, and as you know, if you played with it, you can add a smile where there is none. You can increase the size of lips, eyes, nose. You can even change the shape of the face to make it wider or narrower, to add chin or jawbone. But new in version 2021, you can even tilt the head. This is kind of amazing because it seems to happen in 3 dimensions. So let's select Face Tilt. And with this, I can, as you might expect, change the angle of his head just a little bit. But I can also make it look like he's looking up or down. So there's down, there's up. We can actually move his face in apparent 3D. We can also make him look left or right, to a certain degree anyway. Let's take a look at the before and after. Here's before. Here's after. It's actually pretty cool because it does appear to move a person's face in 3 dimensions. A nice enhancement to the facial adjustment tool, which is a pretty advanced tool in itself. New in version 2021 of Adobe Photoshop Elements. Now, if you want to know more about the program, like virtually everything that the program can do, step by step, be sure and check out my MoviePix.com guide to Adobe Photoshop Elements. It's available at Amazon.com. I'm Steve Grizzetti, and I hope to see you soon.